Now, windows, more than any other element on the outside of your home, can define how it looks and the overall style of your home. Also, as far as function, they provide ventilation, natural light, and will determine how energy efficient your home can be. Now, this home's about 15 years old and very well built, aluminum windows, double pane insulated, and they're in great shape and far more efficient than a single pane window and very maintenance free. Just a little washing is all that's necessary. But if you have windows in your home that are very drafty and non-insulated, then you're going to have a lot of problems in the future selling that home, so it may be time for a change. Because window replacement addresses both aesthetic and energy efficiency issues, there are a lot of options. Replacing single pane wood or metal windows with double pane vinyl or aluminum windows is one of the most popular routes homeowners take for this upgrade. This kind of replacement window can be ordered to custom fit the existing openings in a home and installed pretty quickly with great results. However, the projects that return the most value seem to be those where the owner uses insulated wood windows with a vinyl or aluminum cladding on the outside.